In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Google Drive shortcut in Google Vids. This feature is exceptionally helpful for those who frequently use Google's ecosystem for work or personal purposes. It streamlines your workflow by providing quick access to your most crucial files right within Google Vids. Let's dive into the process. Starting off, navigate your way to Google Vids. Whether you're already familiar with the platform or are just getting your feet wet, Google Vids is Google's initiative to make video content more productive and integrated within its suite of applications. Once you've reached Google Vids, the next step is to sign in to your account. Click on the Sign In button located usually in the top right corner of the page. If you're not automatically signed in, this is a crucial step to ensure that the Google Drive shortcut connects to the correct account. After clicking Sign In, choose the Google account you wish to use. This might be your personal account or a work account if you're utilizing Google Workspace. Just click on the necessary account and proceed. If your account isn't listed, you may need to enter your login details manually. Once signed in, it's time to start the process of adding that shortcut. Look for the File option in the top menu of Google Vids. This option is your gateway to several functionalities, including adding shortcuts to Google Drive. Clicking on File opens up a drop-down menu. Look for an option titled Add Shortcut to Drive. This neat feature allows you to create a direct link in your drive to the video you are currently viewing or working on in Google Vids. It's a simple yet effective way to keep your files organized and accessible. Upon selecting Add Shortcut to Drive, a new window will pop up. Here you first need to decide where in your Google Drive you'd like to place the shortcut. You'll see an option to click on My Drive. This option will expand your drive's folders and allow you to select exactly where the shortcut should go, whether it's a specific project folder or just the root directory of My Drive. Choose the location that makes the most sense for your organizational needs. After choosing the appropriate folder in My Drive, the final step in this process is to confirm your choice by clicking Add. This action creates a shortcut in the selected location, granting you swift access to the video directly from Google Drive. And there you have it, a simple yet impactful way to integrate your Google Vids content more seamlessly with Google Drive. This functionality is especially useful for those who rely on Google's suite for collaborative projects, educational purposes, or even just keeping personal media organized. Remember, the key to a productive digital workspace is efficiency, and knowing how to navigate and utilize features like adding shortcuts between applications can significantly streamline your processes. Keep in mind, if at any point you wish to remove the shortcut or relocate it within Google Drive, you can simply navigate to the shortcut in Drive, right-click it, and choose to move or remove as necessary. This flexibility allows you to adapt your digital workspace to fit your evolving needs. Integrating Google services this way not only saves time, but also ensures that your most important files are always just a few clicks away, regardless of which Google platform you're currently using. So, take a moment to set up your shortcuts, organize your workflow, and make the most out of the powerful tools Google has to offer. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on making your digital life more efficient and organized.